Dow Jones, Nasdaq and gold, all the three instruments traded bearish as I said in my morning analysis. Now what to expect today with the US cash session, we will try to see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. And if you look at the hourly chart, now see on the hourly chart, 17 to 10 is a very clear resistance. You can see three candles getting resistance there and getting reverse from there. Hence, only buy entry is above 1710. If you see it trading above 1710, what to expect next you can find out here. See, this zone at 1715 is definitely a greater resistance for it. So yes, if you see it trading above 1710, you can buy, but then expect 1714, 1715 zone to provide it a little resistance. And only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 1718 levels. Yes, if you see it trading above 1718, you can go long again. Till the time it trades below 1710, possibility exists that we may see similar size of candle, that is almost $8 from here, which makes it to 1700 levels. Possibility exists that it may try to achieve these levels before it tries to recover. Hence, only buy entry above 1710, only sell position below 1700 now. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bearish, it is divergent and it is bearish, indicating we can see a little drop. RSI also trying to trade with a little bearish bias. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, if you see on the 2-hour charts, the highs are almost well aligned, lows are done. That is what it appears, that it has seen lower lows, and this is an expanding triangle breaching below 1703. You can expect 1698 and then 1695, 90 levels to be also seen. There is lot much of gap to be covered till towards 1680, 85 zone. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over here. This is the first red candle. Probably the second red candle will further take it down. The RSI is also was overbought, now looking downwards. And likewise on the 3-hour charts you can similarly find. But then even if you take a long entry at 1710, yes, you have to be very careful, because there is a clear cut resistance at 1714, 1715 level. This zone is very important. Only bullish confirmation is above 1718. Remember that fact. If it trades above 1718, you have to go long, you have to remain long there. So buy at 1710, but then you have to stay cautious there. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is looking forward to a crossover. Possibly this time, if it crosses over this time, probably we may see a stronger bearish move. At the same time, look at the RSI. This was overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, you will find, see, lower lows are done, and if you connect the dots from here, you will find this is an expanding triangle. The highs are still at around 1715, 1715 levels around about. So yes, you can buy at 1710, but then see 1712, 1714, 15. You have to be very cautious if you are taking a long entry till towards 1718. Only bullish confirmation is above 1718. Yes, you can sell there at 1703 and buy above 1710. This is also confirmed. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking forward to a drop. MACD trying to converge and looking forward to a drop. RSI was overbought, again looking forward to a drop. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see the 100 period moving average giving it a support at 1703, and probably below that you can expect 1698, 1690, and then 1685, 80 zone should come. This is going to be the max support. And see the previous candle, it has shown lower highs, lower lows, and probably if it stretches from there, it can in fact erase all the gains from yesterday. You have to remain cautious. Directional movement extremely bullish, it may try to converge. Stochastic is overbought, it is looking forward to a crossover for sell. The MACD is divergent and bullish here, and the RSI is near to highs there. So till 1710 we can remain bearish, but yes, above 1710 you have to buy. Below 1710, or rather I will say 1703, you can sell there. Expect 1698, 1695, 90, and then in fact it can erase all the gains till towards 1685, 80 levels. So sell at 1703, buy at 1710. Now remember, till 1718 you should be very cautious and alert. Do not leave the longs open till the time it is above 17 below 1718, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100 trading at 10.9. It is trading below 11,000 now. See, on the hourly charts, it has got couple of resistances, first at 11,060 and then at 11,100, 11,140. Mark down these levels, 11,100, 140 and 11,060. So yes, if it trades above 11,060, first target 11,1000 and then 11,120, 140 levels to be seen. Only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 11,150, 180, rather I'll say 200 levels. So till the time it trades below 11,200, we have to stay very cautious. It is looking forward to a drop and hence you have to stay cautious there. Only buy position is above 11,060. Till the time it trades below 11,060, what it is looking forward to. Now look at the hourly charts and you will find this is after long that it is trying to breach the support levels here, and it is in fact broken the support here. So possibly also trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it may get a pullback possibility exists. And yes, if it trades above the zone at 10,960, you can expect 10,920, 10,900 as the first target, and below that probably we may see another round of good drop which might take it till towards 10,800 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, and the RSI is looking downwards too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you can see it is looking downwards. The resistance there at 11,060 is strong. It is looking forward to form lower highs at 10,970. Yes, if you see it trading below 10,960, you can rather I will say 10,960. Yes, it's a good level where you can go short below 10,960. Then you can expect further lows. If you connect the dots from here, definitely 10,960, 10,950 is a good support. Then 10,920, 900. Below 10,900, it will show you extreme bearishness, taking it till towards 10,840, 800 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over. This is divergent and bearish, and RSI 2 is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will find, see, this has taken a fall from here and getting the support precisely at 10,970, which is also 20 period moving average. This is a good support zone. Yes, trading below the zone, certainly you can expect 10,920, 900, and then below that further more bearishness can be seen. Hence you have to stay cautious. Right now it is looking forward to a fall, possibly trading below 10,950. It may show strong bearishness, taking it till towards 10,920, 900, and below that a stronger fall can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, it is given a break here. It is trying to take a drop. Possibly lower highs may get achieved and 10,960, 10,950 get achieved. Below 10,950, certainly more bearishness to be expected till towards 10,920, 900, then 840, 800 levels. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a conversion in crossover. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find, see, first thing is either it may give you lower highs, means 11,160, 200 zone, which is definitely going to be very strong. So till even if you take a buy position at 11,060, you have to stay cautious till 11,200. Yes, beyond that only you can consider this as bullish, else it may again pull down on the downside, pull back on the downside. What it can achieve, it can try to achieve 10,850, 10,870 levels, and in fact below that 10,800 cannot be denied, erasing all the gains for the week. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge a bit. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards here. So yes, on the daily charts, mostly it is appearing to be bearish, and only buy position today is above 11,060. Only sell position today is below 10,950. So in between these 110 points, do not take any position if you want to safeguard your capital. 10,950, 10, or rather I will say, let's make it 100 points, 10,950, 11,050, do not take any trade. Above 11,050 till 12, 11,100 and 11,200 levels, you have to remain very cautious. So 11,150, yes, you can buy, but you have to remain cautious till 11,200. Beyond that only bullishness to be seen. And trading below 10,950, certainly you can take a short position. 10,920, 10,900 and 10,850, these are the three levels. Below that, certainly more drop can be expected, taking it till towards 10,820, 10,780 levels. 10,780, the max support. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade between 10,950 and 10,950 and 11,050 levels. On the upside till 11,200, you have to stay cautious and alert. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and if you look at Dow Jones, you will see it is trading near to 33,000 levels. And if you look at the hourly charts, you will find that it has seen a good drop and it is trying to give you a breakout. Trading till the time it trades below 33,100, do not take any position, and on the upside till 33,200, you have to remain cautious. Yes, above 33,100 you can buy for 33,150, 33,200 is the next target. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness to be seen. Till the time it trades below 33,100, the target is, see, 32,900 is a very good support, then 32,830 and 32,800. Only bearish confirmation for Dow Jones is below 32,800 level. Directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will find similarly it is trying to trade with a little drop. Lower lows here can be expected, which might take it till towards 32,900, very good support, and below that 32,800 levels. Only below 32,800 confirm this as bearish, else it may try to rise. 33,100 is the level beyond which you can remain bullish. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, it is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, it is giving you a slope. Also, if you connect the dots here, the support level should come into picture at 32,800, which is going to be a very good support. Only below 32,800 confirm this for bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards and indicating little bearishness. The MACD here, the MACD is on the verge, or rather it has just crossed over. Probably it may continue with the bearish momentum. RSI is looking downwards too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Directional movement bullish trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge and crossover for a sell here. RSI is also trading bearish. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts and look at the previous candle. Previous candle has a, you can say, good body, but still the bullishness was not very much there. Diminished body from the previous to previous candle. Now even if it tries to attempt the lows, 32,900, 32,850, 32,800 levels to be seen, it may try to drop till towards this zone. Trading below 32,800, further bearishness can be expected. Any buy entry today is above 32,100, beyond which 33,100, beyond 33,100 you can expect 33,150, 200, and beyond 33,200 it is going to fly high for 33,500 levels. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bullish, it may try to converge crossover. RSI looking downwards. So considering this, buy at 33,100 levels, above which you can remain bullish. But remember, till 33,300 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. And on the downside, you can sell there at 32,950 levels. Expect 32,900, 32,850, 800. Till 32,800 you have to stay alert for all the short positions. It can reverse from there. So 32,800 till 33,300 you have to stay alert and trade with the trailing stop loss. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.